Hello everyone, welcome to Gradual Learning. I hope you all are good and doing well. In this video, we are going to talk about one of the most important topic for competitive exams, and that is vitamins. So please be with us till the end of the video. And if you are new at our channel, so don't forget to subscribe our channel. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. So let's begin. Major vitamins and their sources. One of the most important topic of competitive exams, so kindly watch the video till the end. Let's talk about the importance of vitamins. As we all know that vitamins are very much important for our body's growth, and they also play other major roles in our bodily functions such as metabolism, immunity and digestions. We have 13 essential vitamins, which includes vitamin A, C, D, E, K and B vitamins as well. So we will talk about few important vitamins in detail in this video. Starting with vitamin A, retinol. Disease caused by this vitamin's deficiency are poor vision and night blindness. Food sources includes cod liver oil, milk, eggs, sweet potatoes, carrots, leafy vegetables and fortified foods. How it helps? It helps by promoting good eyesight and normal functioning of the immune system. Vitamin B1 thiamine. Deficiency causes extreme weakness in beriberi. Food sources: whole grains, legumes and some meats and fish. How it helps? It helps by preventing complication in the nervous system, brain, muscles, heart, stomach and intestine. It also prevents diseases such as beriberi, which involves disorder of the heart, nerves and digestive system. Vitamin B2, riboflavin. Deficiency causes disease, that is retarded body growth and bad skin. Food sources include eggs, green vegetables, milk and other dairy product. Then your meat, mushrooms and almonds. How it helps? It helps the body break down carbohydrates, proteins and fats to produce energy, and it allows oxygen to be used by the body. Vitamin B6, pyridoxine. Deficiency causes depression and confusion, weaken immune function. Food sources includes peanuts, chicken, pork, oats and oatmeal. How it helps? It prevents and treats low level of pyridoxine. It also treats heart diseases, premenstrual syndrome and depression. Vitamin B12, cyanocobalamin. Deficiency causes anemia. Food sources: yogurt, cheese, eggs, fortified cereals, nutritional yeast. How it helps? It helps with red blood cell formation and anemia prevention. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid. Deficiency causes scurvy, swollen gums or loose teeth. Food sources include citrus fruits, tomatoes and potatoes. How it helps? It helps by protecting cells, maintaining a healthy skin, blood vessels, bone and cartilage. Calciferol, vitamin D. Deficiency causes rickets, brittle bones in children which break or bend easily. Food sources include oily fish, egg yolks and fortified foods. Natural source is sunlight. How it helps? It regulates the amount of calcium and phosphate in the body. Vitamin E, disease caused due to deficiency includes nerve and muscles deficiency, vision problems, and loss of body movement control. Food sources include vegetable oils, nuts, seeds, especially sunflower seeds, and green leafy vegetables. It protects cells from damage. Vitamin K, phyloquinone. Deficiency causes excessive bleeding due to injury. Food sources: green leafy vegetables, parsley and cabbage. How it helps? It helps by maintaining proteins for healthy bones and tissues. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you must have liked it and gained a lot of knowledge. Please subscribe to our channel for further updates. See you. Bye bye.